Alright, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I will be installing a subwoofer system, I guess. And I'm gonna go ahead and run them this way, along that way. Or as you can see, I already have the seat out because make it easier. And I'm have ran to the back and going to have the sub box in the trunk. But the box I'm getting is a little too big for what I want. So I'm getting this one off the marketplace. It's almost to my specs, but I would have to cut it. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting it today, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and run these wires and get everything all set up back there, or get this all set up. So let's get to it. And there's videos of like how to do this type of stuff, but I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm just learning. So go ahead and check other videos if you're trying to see how to do it. All right, so I'm trying to record this, but like it's so much like thinking, especially since it's my first time doing it. But I got the red wire. I got it from right there in that little hole. So I just have it laying in engine bay right now, and I'm getting these wires. These are ones to the speaker, so I'm running them all the way down. And then we have this little one. This one's supposed to be blue, and it's supposed to connect to the remote. It should be tagged on the harness, but it's like a blue wire, like just sticking out. But yeah, I'm about to connect this to that and run it along all the way to the back. So yeah, this is new to me. And what time is it? Yeah, I'm trying to go to a meet tonight, but we'll see. Alrighty guys, so we made it to the car show and it's freaking hot out here. It's like 90 degrees right now, and we have Rex posted up right there. That is clean AP1, I guess he's leaving. But yeah, we posted right here. My mom's up there. But yeah, so let's go ahead and walk around. Bro ain't got nothing on this inside. Look at inside though. Everything's carbon fiber. Sorry, Rome, but this guy got you on carbon fiber. Dang. In Forza, I've had the Liberty Walk on the GTR, and dude, I have never realized how big the freaking wing is. Like, look, this is my hand compared to the wing. This thing is like almost a foot probably. Yeah, this thing's sick though. It's really cool. This right here is nice and simple and clean. Titanium tip exhaust. I don't know if you've seen it. Do they have turbos in here? Ooh, there's some nice piping in there. This is nice. I believe this is the Mercedes AMG. Oh, it's the GTR. And I've heard if you do like full exhaust, downpipes, intakes, these things sound sick. And this thing looks pretty sick in person. nose is super long though. Yeah, super long. It's like that's 1,000, but a German car. And we got this wide body beauty right here. This is what they should do with the supercars down over there. But yeah, this thing is sick. Carbon fiber accent right there. Alright, so before they start playing music right here, I am not too familiar with my McLarens, but I think this is a 650. And then this is the music playing. And I believe this is like the 720 or the 750. Oh, 720S. Dude, this thing is a beauty. Oh my god. It's so, oh, and titanium exhaust. Dude, I would love to get a ride one of these. These are so nice. And we have this, I believe it's a Chaser. And dude, this thing is pretty sick. I saw it has some status seats in here. And yeah. Yep, I believe this is a Toyota Chaser. And this thing has 2JZ, I don't know what swap he has, probably like the GTE. This Bronco is sick right here. Carbon fenders, big old wheels. Oh wow, oh it's a, dang. That thing is loud. Oh yeah, this thing is sick. Sparkle seats. Yeah, this thing is ready for the races. Pro Charge. This thing looks sick. Got the gap cams. The meaty slick. Oh, don't forget the bottles. Dang. This thing is crazy looking. Wait, what is this? A Holden. I think that's what's called, a Holden.
What? GTO?
No, it's not GTO. It's no, it's not.
Oh, yes, it's that other one.
This is a big old meaty slick. Ah, yes, and this 2000. Carbon hood looks pretty fresh. Oh, look at that. Carbon fenders. Voltex front bumper. Oh, don't forget the Regas. Ooh, carbon fiber bezel. That looks pretty clean. CR shift boot. Yeah, this thing's sick. And my mom's up here with the, would probably say top tier cars maybe. I don't know. But she got personally invited to this. And Lex is looking real good. And under that cover looks like a C8 Corvette. I'm guessing it has like a body kit or whatnot. And yeah, this Rex is down there, right there, yeah. It's freaking hot right now. It's like, I think it's 90 degrees still or something like that.
I ain't going for the last one.
Bro, this kit car is, oh, it might. Oh, that was clearing.
my tires down. Air my tires down.
Let me pop your tires real quick.
Pop them. No. Ah.
All right, so this is a one-of-one car by Sigala. And from what it looks like a C8 Corvette. So let's see how it looks. Let's see by the wing.
All right, guys. Here we are about to unveil this one-of-one first in the world. Now, I want to give you guys some basic information, and that is that this car, let's just say, took a ton of hard work. It took about, we want to give a rough estimate of about 6 months with 24 people just to get this project complete. Now, I mean, we want to give a huge thank you to everyone that is interested in seeing this car. I know you guys have been waiting long enough, but here at Sigala, we only bring the best of the best. And well, if you guys want to show your support, here behind me we have our full booth of all our merch. So make sure to buy some merch, tag us, do all of that. We would love to see all your guys' different angles, all your guys' different photos, and what you guys think of this car. Now here shortly, we're about to get ready to take off the covers. Let's just say there's a project that we are very, very happy to bring to the world. So are you girls ready? All right, so here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and pull off those covers. So here we have the world's first fully forged carbon fiber Z06. This car was completely stripped down to the bare skeleton, and every single panel was completely molded and fully replaced with a full carbon fiber panel. Here you guys have it in front of you. Go ahead, take your photos, videos, share it. What do you guys think?
Everything is forged carbon, even the grill. It would have been funny or cool if the wheels were forged carbon. Dang.
$60 by itself.
That's why we're waiting for this one.
Right here, the Z is pretty clean. Ooh. Oh yeah. So clean. Oh, especially these seats are so nice. Dude. Oh yeah, I like how the system is. That is so clean. A little fire extinguisher. I actually need that for my car. Oh yeah, even the carbon. That is so nice. The exhaust is sick. Oh. 2 + 2. I wonder what that means. Yeah, this thing is clean. Oh, I didn't see that. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh yeah. This Miata right here is super clean. Paint is clean. My guys are making it look like it's a candy paint. Wing. Oh wow, look at that. It looks like billet mounts. Yeah. This is actually pretty cool. MX-5. Got a clean 240. Paint is mint. Super mint. I can't wait. I can't wait for Rex to be painted later. It looks so good like this. This Super right here is so mint. I believe it's on bags too. Oh, those are sick. That's weird. What are these? Are these C20? No, these not. ZR10s. Work Motion ZR10s. Nice carbon hood. Mirrors. Carbon steering wheel. Oh yeah, this thing is mint. S15 is clean. And TEs, the front could be a little bit lower. And right-hand drive. Hey, look at this. I wonder if that wing's for this car. Oh my god, that thing's loud.